Dear students, today I am going to tell you a story about Kalidas and his transformation from a person of almost no intellectualism to a person who is known as one of the greatest scholars of Sanskrit literature. So, before that, I am going to tell you the secret behind success. 99% perspiration and 1% inspiration is the success secret. Is the secret behind all kind of successes. So, somebody who is willing to keep on trying hard becomes very successful in his life. Kalidas was a person with almost no intellectualism. He was cutting the same branch on which he was sitting, not realizing the fact that he will fall down from the branch once the branch falls. There was a princess who put a condition for her marriage that she would marry to a person who will defeat her in uh, Shastrarth, that is in English we call it scriptural debate. So big scholars from all over India came and debated with her, but nobody could defeat her. She defeated all the scholars. The Pandits, who were the organizers of the marriage, became annoyed. They decided that they will teach her a lesson, and they said that let's get her married to a gross fool. They went around looking for someone who is very, very fool. So they saw a person, Kalidas, who was sitting on the same branch and all that things. So they realized that yes, he is the person who is very fool. He's a dumb. That's what the Pandits thought. They got hold of him and told, look, you don't have to open your mouth and we will get you married to a princess. So they tied a big turban on his head and they brought him into the palace. They told the princess that he is a great scholar, but at present he is observing fast. So only the debate can take only through actions. The Rajkumari or the princess says, all right. So the debate began. The Rajkumari showed one finger. Kalidas thought that what she was trying to convey the message that she will break her one eye. So he raised two fingers, meaning that अगर तुम मेरी एक आंख फोड़ोगी तो मैं तुम्हारी दोनों आंखें फोड़ दूंगा. I will break both of your eyes. So the Pandits asked the princess, what was your question? Vidyutma said that I was asking if there is only one supreme power or not. The Pandit said that Kalidas wanted to convey the message that there is, although there is only one God, but there are two types of forms. One is Sakar and other is Nirakar. The with form, God is with form and a formless God. Vidyutma got impressed by the answer, and then she raised her hand and showed all the five fingers. Kalidas thought that what the message she was trying to convey was that she want to say that I will slap you. So Kalidas showed his fist that I will hit you with the box, with the fist. So Pandits now asked Vidyutma that what was the question. Vidyutma said, the princess said that there are five senses. So these five senses trouble us. What is the solution for it? The Pandits replied that Kalidas showed the box or the fish to convey the message that we have mind and soul, we can control all the senses. Vidyutma got impressed and the marriage took place. Once there was a camel passing by. Kalidas was utterly a dumb person at that time. Uh, he could not spell the word, the name of the camel, and he shouted, Uttara, Uttara, Uttara. And Vidyutma got angry by seeing that this person can't even spell the name of camel properly. And in anger, she pushed him from the staircase. Kalidas fell down on the ground and he felt the insult. And he went to a temple of Kali, goddess Kali, and he took an oath that he will become a scholar. Then only he will return to the palace or the home. Then Kalidas went to Kasi and learned as if there was no past, there will be no future, and he became a very great scholar. When he returned to the house, he came to the door and knocked and said, Kapatam Dwaram Dehi, meaning, Hey Patni, Dwar Kholo. Dear wife, open the door. At once, Vidyutma recognized the voice and she said three words, Asti Kaschit Vag Vishesha. And these three words, Kalidas, with these three words, Kalidas wrote three Mahakavyas. So, what I was trying to convey, that with determination, you can become or you can achieve what you wish to. So, students, keep on working, keep trying, keep working hard, and you will become what you want to be. This is what the message that I wanted to convey.